Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I'm here to do another updated herb profile video, and this one is on Echinacea. So I've just been gathering more information on certain herbs in the beginning when I first started my channel, and some of the first videos I did, and decided I want to go ahead and reshoot them and just get more information out there, hopefully slightly more condensed as well. And also know I'll be linking to the full playlist of all the videos I have out so far where I've done profiles like this on certain herbs, foods, and more, and giving the benefits thereof. So you might want to scroll through that playlist and see what I have, just in case you want to learn more about any of those items. So let's get to the Echinacea. So there are 9 different species of Echinacea, but the 2 that are most used medicinally are the Echinacea purpurea, which is what I grow, and the Echinacea augustifolia. The parts that are commonly used are the roots, the leaves, and the flowers. You can also use the stems, but it just depends on how you're going to use them. I can see dehydrating them up and maybe using them in tinctures and teas. I typically use the leaves. I've yet to dig up any of my roots and use them, but I find a lot of benefits just in the leaves alone. Okay, because I cannot read my handwriting, I will go ahead and put a list right here in text of some of the active compounds, which I know includes rosmarinic acid and phenolic acids and a few more. And the most common uses are going to be in teas, tinctures, syrups, and even powdering up for capsules. Or you can buy it in capsule form. If you're able, it's usually best if you can make your own capsules, if that's the only way you can, if you're growing the herb yourself. If you're not, then just look for, whenever you're talking about any of these herbs, try to find one that is pure. A company that makes it and just has that pure ingredient. But you can also buy the dried herb I believe you can buy the dried Echinacea leaves and flowers and then powder it up yourself to make your own capsules if you want to do that. I still believe that teas and extracts are going to be the easiest, best way to go, and you don't have to waste your money buying empty capsules or your time it takes to fill them. So let's talk about these benefits. So it is naturally antiviral and antibacterial. It is also very immune boosting. So a lot of people will use this during cold and flu season. Like for me, I add it to my elderberry spice syrup, which I have a recipe out that I'll link to down below, and often add it to teas during this time of the year if I remember to do so. Though when it comes to Echinacea and preventing sickness, it's best if you're taking it beforehand, preventing sickness rather than taking it when you're sick. Not that it can't help at all when you're sick. It's just going to be best taken beforehand to boost the immune system. It's also high in antioxidants, which of course is going to be some of the things that gives it a lot of those benefits. It can help lower your blood sugar, so this could be a good option for diabetics. This was a new one to me. It can help reduce anxiety, depression, and social phobias. It is anti-inflammatory. It can even help with skin issues such as acne, psoriasis, dry skin, eczema, and even wrinkles. So this surprised me too. Yet another herb that has so many purposes that could be added to whatever you're making for your skincare. For me, I will keep it aside for my other thing because I have plenty of herbs that are great for skincare that I use, such as marshmallow, calendula, dandelion, and so much more. It can help prevent and fight cancer. It is a natural analgesic, which is one of the reasons why I add it to my pain remedy along with feverfew, catmint, and valerian leaf. And I will link to that recipe down below if you're interested. It's my, the most current one that is my best so far pain remedy that I've created. It can help counteract constipation. And though I've already mentioned colds and flus, at least preventing, it is beneficial for just general upper respiratory health. And issues such as asthma, tuberculosis, strep, whooping cough, croup, diphtheria, and acute sinusitis. It is also great for helping to fight infections such as gum disease, malaria, UTIs, yeast infections, and more. But some things that you want to know is that if you have ragweed allergies, then echinacea is most likely not for you. But keep in mind, there are a lot of medicinal herbs that fall within the ragweed family, such as feverfew and so much more. So make sure that if you do have that kind of allergy, you look into every herb and find out if it is in the Aster-K family. The Aster-K family, when it comes to flowers, is the biggest family out there. So unfortunately, there's a lot of those you can't use, but you might be able to use anything in the mint family, which would be things like your catmint, peppermint, oregano, thyme, rosemary. So if you're taking echinacea for anything, especially in like medicinal type doses, you'll want to just pay attention. If you're having any kind of bad reaction, diarrhea, nausea, and so on, any rashes, you most likely have an allergy to it and you should stop taking it regardless. Just stop taking it because it's probably not going to be for you. And just remember, there's so many great herbs out there that even if this isn't the herb for you, there's got to be something that will fit and work for you. So just do your own research into that and make sure you check out my various videos I have on these, because I do also have a playlist that includes where I compile herbs together for various things. So I have a video just on herbs for pain, and I have a video just on herbs that are natural antibiotics, and one on herbs that are natural antivirals. And echinacea falls within a lot of those, but so do many other herbs. And I compile that so you can look through there and find what you can take and what might actually work for you. Because even if you can take it, what works best for one person isn't going to work best for another. So it's best to learn about as many as you can, which is one of the reasons why I grow so many different types of herbs. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the links I'll be putting down below. And if you have anything you would like to share about echinacea, do you grow it? Do you use it? How do you use it? How has it helped you? Please share with us in comments down below. And thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.